I'm Jonelle Goldsbury and I'm a logistics specialist in the Royal New Zealand Air Force. A logistics specialist can do things such as work at air movements, supply chain, working at a forward support section which supplies the techs their parts that they need to work on the aircraft. Currently I'm working at Auckland Air Movement, so we load and unload passengers and freight. Some of the really satisfying things about working for Defence Force are the opportunities to travel. Logistics specialists like myself need to go wherever the Defence Force are. Some of the places I have been are Australia, Asia and most of the Pacific Islands. The Defence Force is just like a normal job. I work my hours and I go home. I'm not bound to base. I find that shift work works for me as it means I can get out and about while people are still working their normal 9-to-5 jobs. Sports has always been a big part of my life and the Defence Force supports this. This year I've been a member of the Air Force cricket, basketball and netball teams. So getting time to do all of these things is actually really easy to do. I feel like the Defence Force invests in me. There is training and progression and the scope to be promoted. One of the things I find really rewarding for working for Defence is playing my part in responding to disasters. My ultimate goal is to be a commissioned officer. In order to do this, I still have a couple of years of study, but I'm really enjoying the learning that goes with that. My advice for someone wanting to work in aviation or the Defence Force is to apply, as there is endless opportunities, particularly if you're wanting to travel and having all of your training paid for. I grew up in Horowhenua, but by joining the Defence Force, I've got to see the world, which has really opened my eyes and helped me grow as a person. I'm Jonelle Goldsbury and I'm a member of the Royal New Zealand Air Force. I've got a trade, I've got it made.